there! Today we are going to make a buffalo fondue. And we're going to use acorn squash as our base. And I love acorn squash because it's really nutrient dense. It's got all your A, B, and C vitamins and lots of minerals. So I start by putting it in the oven and I bake it for about a half an hour on 400 degrees. I've already peeled some of it and I'm just gonna show you how to peel the rest. So you just kind of get your fingers in there and peel the outer edge off because once it's baked, it comes off very easily, as you can see. There we go. Now I'm going to put that into my bowl, and before I smooth that out, I am going to start to heat up my almond milk. I'm gonna pour it into my fondue pot. And then my Daiya cheese shreds, and you can use your favorite in this. I'm just gonna whisk it up, and we'll let that heat up while we process our acorn squash. And this goes pretty quickly. You'll just smooth it out. Now we can add it into our fondue pot. I'm gonna whisk this a bit together before adding the other ingredients and let this start to combine. And then I'm going to finish chopping up my green onions, and I used a whole bunch here. These give a nice texture and add a really good flavor. All right. Throw those in. And then I'm going to add nutritional yeast for a bit more cheesy flavor. I love red hot, so I'm going to add that in here as well. You could do this according to your taste, but I like a lot, and it adds a really nice kick. A little bit of salt. And now whisk it all together. Let the flavors combine. It's a really simple dish. And one of the things I love about fondue is it kind of turns eating into an activity. Everyone sits around a warm, comforting bowl, and it creates conversation. Now I'm gonna get my veggies. I've already roasted some veggies for it, and I'm just gonna dip those in and give it a try. It's cheesy, gooey, a little bit tangy. The perfect thing for a party. Thanks so much for joining me in my vegan kitchen.